Hey there, welcome to Katie Mary's English. Today, we're going to talk about something really important if you're thinking about studying or working abroad, the IELTS exam. Don't worry, I'll break it down so it's super easy to understand. So, what is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It's a test that checks how well you can use English in real-life situations. If you want to study or work in countries like the UK, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, you might need to take this test. But why do you need to take IELTS? Well, universities and employers in English-speaking countries want to know if you can understand and communicate in English. IELTS helps them see if you're ready for that. It's like getting a score in your favorite game. The better your score, the more chances you have to get into a good school or job. The IELTS exam has 4 parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's go through each one quickly. First, listening. In this part, you'll listen to conversations and talks, just like you do every day. Then, you'll answer questions based on what you heard. It's about how well you can catch what people are saying. Next is reading. You'll read different kinds of texts, like articles, ads, and more. Then, you'll answer questions to show how much you understood. Don't worry, it's all about understanding the main ideas and details. Now, writing. Here, you'll write 2 pieces. One is usually about explaining some information, like a chart, and the other is an essay. The goal is to see how well you can explain your thoughts clearly in English. Finally, there's speaking. You'll have a short conversation with an examiner. They might ask you about yourself, or you might have to talk about a topic. This part checks how well you can express your ideas in spoken English. After you finish all 4 parts, you'll get a score from 0 to 9 for each one. The average of these scores is your overall band score. Most universities and jobs look for a score between 6 and 7, but it can vary. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. Practice listening to English as much as you can. Watch movies, listen to songs, or even talk to your friends in English. Read different types of texts to get comfortable with different styles. And when you write or speak, focus on being clear and organized. You don't need to use fancy words, just be yourself. So that's a quick look at the IELTS exam. Remember, it's all about showing your English skills, and with some practice, you can do great. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering English. See you in the next video.